Welcome, viewers. Now let's talk about all the quick settings in the website. The overview shows all the essentials in a condensed version. The inbox handles all the chats that come to your configured WhatsApp number. The broadcast option helps you send bulk campaign messages to your customers, covering both standard and dynamic campaigns. The Contacts module helps you handle your customer contacts by allowing you to upload contacts manually or through a group. The Channels feature helps you configure multiple WhatsApp accounts on a single platform, which is helpful for managing multiple numbers through a single dashboard. We can add multiple users who interact with the incoming chats and manager accounts who can manage your Telinfy account through the Users option. The subscription specifies which plan you are currently using. The Wallet specifies your Telinfy account balance. The reports deal with campaign, API, and conversation reports. The Orders section deals with the orders you receive through the catalogs. Then, the Settings section is where you handle all the general settings, security, and the API key. And at the top is the Wallet Balance indicator. To the right of it is the switch that changes the layout to dark mode or light mode. Then next to it is the Language selector, which allows you to choose the language you are comfortable with. To the right of the Language selector is the Notification panel, which shows the latest updates. And finally, to the right is the Profile icon, which serves as a shortcut to the Settings page.